All right, everyone, welcome back at the Marina Dock job site. So luckily there's been clouds all day. So thankful. It's been perfect weather. I'm so happy about it. Jumping into today's video, me and my other coworker pulled wire from the gear along these pipes into this junction box, and then spliced it right there, and then ran it all the way down. This was where I had to pull it to, which really sucked because of this LB right here. And basically the string was tearing because I was pulling it at a 90-degree angle, so that was terrible. But I made it. Tore up my hands a lot, so that hurt. Anyways, kept pulling it from there all the way down to that junction box. Didn't cut it, and then fed it into the other junction box on the other side, which I will show you. But we went ahead and kept working on the lights. As you can see right here, worked on these lights again. But we started on circuit 7 today, and the wire that we pulled over to the gear was the start of circuit 8 and 9. So we already had 6 and 7 at the gear waiting outside at the last T, but we pulled 8 and 9, which is the start, which goes all the way down to the very end. So now that we got 8 and 9 started, we went ahead the second half of the day and worked on circuit 7, because circuit 6 is already complete with the first, I think it's 18 lights. I thought it was like 9, but my coworker said it was like 18, so I'm not sure anymore. But anyway, circuit 6 is done and complete, and all the lights are up. And then we started on circuit 7, and I believe, I can't remember exactly where it stopped. I think it was one of these spots in here, but we went ahead and we didn't get the go-ahead on the expansion joints yet, but went ahead and started pulling wire anyways. I think what they did end up doing is they said they were going to get these movable straps. I don't know what those exactly look like, but anyways, we're going to get like 230 movable straps. I think they said they were like $2 or $20 each, and there's like 230 of them, so it's gonna be a hefty price. But anyways, we started over here somewhere on one of these lights, and I think we got like 12 lights done. I can't remember, but we went like from here past that crosswalk sign down there. So we went ahead and pulled all the wire in, and what we did today, which saved a lot of time, was basically just started at one of these T's right here, if I can find one. Can't find one. This is annoying. So okay, I guess there's a T right here. So we went ahead and started at one of these T's right here, and basically what we did was we just pulled all the way through, all the way down, basically like 6 or 7, however we did it at one time. We just pulled a giant, we just pulled through all the T's, and then we just pulled loops out, which saved a lot of time. Then having to cut it every single time that we want to go in and out of a light. So that saved a lot of time, and I think we got about 12 of these done today. So wired 12 of them, and also made them up and got them back standing. And then at the end of the day, there's a whole bunch of wire laying out, so basically just pulled the wire the rest of the day. I think we pulled like 6 more, enough wire for 6 more lights. And we just pulled loops out because we didn't want to open any more lights up at the end of the day. So we'll be ready for tomorrow. Just have to take down the lights, and then we'll just go ahead and cut the loops and then stuff them back into the lights and be ready to go in the morning. So it seems like it's going a lot faster than what we were doing last week, or the week before. I think it was last week on like, no, it wasn't last week. It was like 2 weeks ago on like Tuesday and Wednesday when we were pulling the wire in for these lights. So it's a lot faster. So that's good. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it as always. Thanks for tuning into the live stream last night. I'm gonna try to get back into those more often than not. So make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. check the description for anything else, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.